Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to stop music automatically playing when iPhone connects to Bluetooth. First of all, there is the easiest solution, which is by simply going to Apple Music Player and removing it. But sometimes this is not the case. You want to keep it, but you still want to keep the Bluetooth thing, which is when it's connected, it stops the music, it doesn't start automatically. So how can we do this? Simply go to your iPhone and search for the shortcut application, as you can see right here, and then click on new shortcut in here. And from here, as you can see, we will be able to create many new shortcuts, as you can see. So to create a new shortcut in our case, we will need to go ahead and click on automations from here. Now I will create a personal automation, and from here I will go all the way around in the bottom and click on Bluetooth, then choose device, and here I will choose any device. Now you could choose a specific one, but for me I would choose any device and then click on done, then click on next. Make sure that this is the page that you will have, and from here click on add action and search for play/pause Apple TV. So from here, you don't know, I mean for the play/pause, the last one, which is the media, as you can see here. So now from this area we made play/pause on iPhone, then click on it again and simply choose to pause. And this will do is to simply, if the music was running on your mobile, it will pause on the iPhone. Then click on next, and there you go. So this is the automation, and now it is all ready to be starting. So this is how you can make the music stops whenever it runs on the Bluetooth, or basically whenever your Bluetooth is connected to your phone. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.